Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. Today's Tuesday, February the 18th, and I hope your week is going well. In this video, I want to just show you our plumbing estimating spreadsheet that is designed for you to put in your takeoff information. It will produce your material cost totals, your man hour totals, and all the way across. Now, of course, every job is different. And so what I also show you how to do in a separate video that you receive with the spreadsheet, and I meet with you one-on-one in a Zoom kind of atmosphere to show you how to edit it. Because yeah, you're going to have a master, and then we're going to be able to edit each one to accommodate each of your projects. But it's going to save you so much time. So if you're a plumber, a GC, if you're a GC, this will help you determine your man hour totals if you don't have it for each of the trades. And be aware that I do have these for everything you could ever need. That's a big thing. We're pushing a lot for the remainder of the year because I didn't realize that my good people out there were guessing. Okay, let's just keep it real. They're guessing. And so this keeps you from guessing. This keeps your projects bare bones to where you know exactly how much you are going to spend and how much time your project's going to take. So let's take a look at my beautifully this is a short little one, but again, how we break it down, all of the horizontal, measures, and then the vertical measures. And if you take my class, right, you're going to know your simple step to determine how you determine the vertical measure, right? Because up and down, that makes a difference. And then we have the fixtures and the equipment. Then we have the rough-in costs, which I find that a lot of people, you're leaving out. Okay. And then for us to connect existing to the new work. And we do have a calculator for the rough-ins. We have a calculator for connecting all different sizes to the existing whatever. And then insulation, whatever applies. Okay, and you can get the individual calculators for each of these, so you'll have it and you'll know what to put in this section, the man hour unit, right? Because that's what we use to determine how many man hours for each line item. So you'll have your individual spreadsheets. If you do buy our estimating spreadsheet, you get the man hour calculators at half the price because they kind of go together. Right? They go together. They do go together. And so this makes your life easy. And if you purchase any 3 or more of any item from us, you have a specialized URL with a password where we're going to put all of these up there for you so you don't lose them. If your computer crashes, you just go log on to your system, download them. There is an agreement, confidentiality. You can't share these with anyone. We're going to just go on the trust system, but they were designed to make your life easy, okay? To make sure you can get the money that you deserve for the project, right? And that's very, very important, okay? We have to make sure of that, and it's going to help you do that a lot. So if you are interested, make sure you reach out to me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. We have the calculators. We have the Plumbers marketplace is being updated as I'm recording right now. It'll be active. And at that location, sfjohnsonconsulting.com, bottom of our homepage are all the marketplaces for all of the different trades. Go there, click on yours, and there should be a link for you to purchase. If you don't see a link, there is a form on the page where you can send it to us, and we make sure we get that to you within 24 hours because we have them, but not all of them are updated to the site. We have 2 different sites now. ConstructionQueenConsulting.com is also our website that's sitting out there and being worked on behind the scenes as well. So it's taking us a little time. And so, plumbers, reach out to me if you have any questions, want to take a workshop, you want to take a class, reach out. And the plumbers, we meet on Saturday at 10 a.m. Talk to you soon.